Welcome, Buccaneer. Open communication between you and your support system is an important piece of your success as a student. Granting proxy access allows a guardian or another trusted third party to view and/or manage certain aspects of your student portal, such as grades, class schedules, and financial information on your behalf. In this tutorial, we will learn how to grant proxy access to any designated user. So let's get started. First, you'll want to log in to your student portal. On the home screen, you will want to click on your username located in the upper right corner next to the Sign Out button. In the drop-down menu, you will want to click on the third link labeled View Add Proxy Access. Next, you will scroll to the bottom of the redirected page, click on the drop-down menu under Select a Proxy, and choose Add Another User. You will want to complete all required text fields marked with a star. For the Access section, you have two choices. You will want to click Allow Complete Access to grant full access to the user. You will want to click Allow Select Access and check the boxes for the specific areas you want the user to access. Next, you will want to review the information. You will then want to ensure all provided information is correct and all required fields are completed. Remember, you can edit these proxy permissions at any time. Finally, you're going to make sure you read the disclosure agreement thoroughly before checking the authorization box. When ready, you will then want to click the blue Submit button. A pop-up window will appear requesting the creation of a new user before proxy access can be granted. Click Continue to proceed or Cancel to stop. After clicking Continue, the proxy user will receive two emails, one with their username and another with a temporary password. Now you've successfully given proxy access. We hope this resource serves as a tool to connect with your support system. If you have any questions, please stop by and visit our Student Services Center here in Farrell Hall. Have a great day.